In the face of a global energy transition, the importance of one of the most dynamic sectors is growing, the hydrogen economy. Hydrogen, a clean, innovative energy carrier, is already shaping the future of transport, industry, and energy. But behind these changes are real people, professionals, people who understand not only technology, but also the market and regulations. This is not just a course, it's a strategic investment in your competencies. The program includes analysis of global market trends, interpretation of hydrogen sector regulations and standards, strategy development to support market growth, risk and safety assessment, effective communication with stakeholders, and much more. The program is based on 5 key professional competencies and their verification criteria: hydrogen market analysis, interpretation of legal regulations, market strategy planning, risk assessment, cross-sector communication and cooperation. Take your career to the next level. Gain qualifications that open doors to a dynamic career in the hydrogen sector. It's time to act, time for the future. Invest in knowledge that changes the world. Hydrogen, as a key energy carrier of the future, is playing an increasingly important role in transport, industry, and energy sectors. To fully harness its potential, detailed market analysis and understanding of rapidly evolving regulations and standards around hydrogen production, storage, and usage are essential. Market and regulatory analysis of hydrogen represents a multi-dimensional challenge, requiring knowledge of global trends, international regulations, local energy policy strategies, and emerging technologies. Experts in this field will be essential to the development of the hydrogen economy, enabling efficient and regulation-compliant implementation of hydrogen-based projects. The demand for specialists in market analysis and hydrogen regulations will significantly grow over the next decade, driven by trends such as energy transition. Hydrogen will be key to global decarbonization, particularly in energy, industry, and transport. Analysts will be needed to track market shifts and support sector growth. Technological advancement, innovation in hydrogen production and applications requires ongoing market analysis and regulatory adaptation. Evolving legal frameworks. The hydrogen market will require expertise in emerging national and international legislation. Global infrastructure investment. The development of hydrogen pipelines, electrolyzers, and refueling stations will require experts to assess investment potential and legal compliance. Energy market evolution. As hydrogen use expands, so will the need for analysis of demand, supply, and economic feasibility. Sustainability. Specialists will help shape environmentally responsible strategies and reduce hydrogen's ecological footprint. Education and training. A growing workforce in this field demands intensified education programs and specialized courses. Given these challenges and trends, the role of a market and regulation specialist in hydrogen will become crucial to supporting the hydrogen economy. Their work enables better understanding of market needs, regulatory design, and strategy aligned with the energy transition. They will play a fundamental role in developing a sustainable, innovative, and globally competitive hydrogen economy. Market and hydrogen regulations. Specialists will be among the most sought-after professionals in the coming decade. Their knowledge will be vital not only to achieving climate goals, but also to supporting the energy transition and building a competitive hydrogen economy. They will find employment in energy companies, consulting firms, research institutions, public administration, international organizations, and policy-making bodies. This job market will grow dynamically, offering diverse prospects, but also demanding high-level skills and adaptability to evolving regulations and market needs. This qualification is an attractive choice for those looking to build a career in modern, sustainable energy technologies. Qualification description: specialist in market analysis and hydrogen regulations. This specialization covers competencies in analyzing market trends, identifying investment opportunities, interpreting and implementing hydrogen-related national and international regulations, and forecasting sector developments. Specialists are prepared to analyze the hydrogen market, assessing supply, demand, and project profitability, manage regulatory compliance across production, storage, transport, and application of hydrogen, develop market strategies aligned with changing regulations and technologies, support investment planning, and evaluate hydrogen infrastructure projects, collaborate with stakeholders across public, private, and international sectors to promote effective legal and market solutions. These professionals play a foundational role in shaping the hydrogen market and enabling sustainable and innovative solutions. Their work ensures hydrogen development aligns with both market demands and regulatory frameworks, supporting global climate goals and technological progress. Integration of market analysis and regulations in hydrogen. Specialists study hydrogen demand and supply as it becomes a major energy carrier. They identify key sectors, such as transport, industry, and energy, that drive hydrogen demand. Cost analysis of hydrogen technologies like electrolyzers, storage systems, and distribution infrastructure is essential to evaluate investment feasibility. Hydrogen regulations cover production, storage, transport, and usage. Experts monitor national and international safety standards and green hydrogen certification. They assess regulatory impacts and guide firms on compliance. These specialists work with governments, international bodies, and private sector players to create policies supporting hydrogen development. Key tasks include identifying regulatory barriers, drafting legislation, and promoting hydrogen in decarbonization strategies. Specialists assess technologies like hydrogen storage in chemical compounds, for example ammonia, or low-emission production as green and blue hydrogen. This informs investment decisions and implementation strategies. Market analysis also involves assessing existing infrastructure, including pipelines, terminals, refueling stations, and planning its development. They identify gaps and recommend optimal logistics and investment solutions. Due to hydrogen's flammability, regulations and procedures for safety in storage and transport are critical. Regulatory specialists create safety protocols considering technical and legal aspects to minimize risk. The fusion of market analysis, regulation, and policy enables a comprehensive approach to hydrogen economy development. These specialists are key players in energy transformation, promoting modern, sustainable hydrogen solutions. The educational program includes learning outcomes and verification criteria for the profession, specialist in market analysis and hydrogen regulations. Competency 1, hydrogen market analysis. Assesses market trends and identifies key sectors utilizing hydrogen. Competency 2. Interpretation of hydrogen regulations and standards, analyzes legal frameworks and technical norms regarding hydrogen production, storage, transport, and application. Competency 3. Market strategy planning. Develop strategies to grow the hydrogen market and enable cross-sector cooperation. Competency 4. Risk and safety assessment in the hydrogen economy. Assesses and mitigates risks associated with hydrogen use across sectors. The program also includes learning outcomes and criteria verification for the profession. Selected competencies include effective communication with stakeholders, clients, teams, and institutions, team collaboration and knowledge sharing, empathy in workplace interactions, conflict resolution and mediation, negotiation with international partners, stakeholder relationship management, presenting information in clear, accessible ways, adaptability to regulatory and technological change, maintaining international networks, mentoring and coaching junior professionals, engagement with local communities in hydrogen development, promoting sustainability in hydrogen practices, leadership skills in project teams, time management, for achieving goals, building trust through transparency, innovation in hydrogen technologies, attention to detail in reports and compliance, analytical communication with clients, cultural diversity, management in international contexts, professional ethics, and transparency in reporting. The program consists of 8 training modules. Module 1, Introduction to Hydrogen Market and Regulations. Module 2, Legal Frameworks and Safety Standards. Module 3, Regulation Development for Hydrogen Infrastructure. Module 4, Hydrogen Technologies and their Regulatory Impact. Module 5, Hydrogen Market Analysis. Module 6, Project Management in the Hydrogen Sector. Module 7, Compliance Monitoring and Auditing. Module 8, International Cooperation in Hydrogen Regulations. These modules provide the foundation for a comprehensive educational program tailored to dynamic market and technological needs. Each module combines theoretical and practical knowledge, allowing participants to gain specialized competencies for the hydrogen economy. They support vocational qualifications and personal growth, and can be updated as regulations and technologies evolve. The modules can also be used to gain micro-credentials that apply to related professional qualifications. Target audience includes those working in renewable energy, logistics, transport, chemistry, automotive, public administration, and sustainability sectors. Thanks to the modular structure, participants can choose areas of focus and tailor their training to professional goals. Related professions include logistics and transport specialist, renewable energy engineer, hydrogen technology technician, energy safety specialist, energy market analyst, sustainability advisor, energy regulation specialist, technological innovation consultant, hydrogen automotive engineer, energy infrastructure designer. Who are the training modules for? The modules are designed for a wide range of professionals, including logistics and transport specialists, energy engineers and technicians, employees of transport and logistics companies, graduates of technical and environmental sciences, professionals in the automotive sector, market analysts, employees of public and local administration, safety consultants in the energy industry, entrepreneurs in the technology sector, individuals interested in sustainable development, and anyone seeking to gain specialized competencies in a climate-critical sector. The proposed modules offer a flexible educational tool tailored to the diverse needs of various professional groups. Their structure allows for easy adaptation to specific audiences, enabling the acquisition of competencies in both market analysis and the creation and implementation of regulations governing the hydrogen economy. Through this training, participants will be empowered to contribute meaningfully to the development of new technologies and regulations in the hydrogen sector. Upon completion of the modules, participants will possess broad knowledge of market analysis, trends, and technologies related to the hydrogen economy, understand the legal regulations and standards for the use, transport, storage, and distribution of hydrogen across various industrial sectors, conduct comprehensive market analyses, identifying potential areas for hydrogen technology deployment, and assessing their profitability and environmental impact. Plan implementation strategies for hydrogen technologies, taking into account the needs of the public sector, industry, and local communities. Identify risks and develop countermeasures to ensure safety in hydrogen-related logistics and operations. Communicate and collaborate effectively with representatives from industry, public administration, and the scientific community regarding hydrogen economy implementation. Be aware of hydrogen's role in the energy transition and its importance for sustainable development and combating climate change. Create educational materials and reports to promote awareness of hydrogen technologies among stakeholders and local communities, and further develop their professional competencies in the rapidly growing hydrogen technology sector, gaining a competitive edge in the job market. The program consists of a full 160-hour course and a 30-hour pilot training modules. Training materials include presentations, podcasts, videos, worksheets, lesson plans for educators, and more. These materials were developed as part of the Professionals and Their Skills in the Hydrogen Sector project, co-funded by the European Union. The European Union is not responsible for the content presented in this video.